Kyle LeDuc. He talked about his short course background in this truck and how that truck is rotating. Let's take a look at how he's going to run out here on this track.
Aggressively setting up to the outside of the turn.
Sounds like he's staying on throttle consistently. Is that the kind of move you talked about, maybe potentially braking before the jump, but throttle all the way through?
Coming across for the checkers. Yeah, Mark, how's your baby? That's what I was saying.
The ultimate Dana Top qualifier in trophy truck is Kyle LeDuc.
Kyle, man. Yeah. Congratulations. Way to go, man. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Great lap.